Hello, Mr. McSwain. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I got permission from Marcus to send you over some information just showing you how you can improve your online presence. So, first thing when I try to put in your website, I went to your Facebook and tried clicking to see if I can find your website. However, this is what's popping up. It can't be reached. So I'm not sure if your website is just down or you just don't have a website as of right now. So I'm just going to show you what an ideal website would look like and the traffic that you can be bringing in through having a great website. Now, I know you're located in Mount Juliet. However, we're going to go for Nashville because Nashville is the biggest place around. So good key. We're going to put in a nice buyer intent word, which is Flooring Nashville, Tennessee. First thing that pops up are your Google guaranteed. These are the people that are paying so they can be right at the front in order to get that early traffic. And then you have your GMB. You have your Google Map Pack. Now this is super important to be on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these. Normally it's 3. This guy's an ad. So it's one of these 4 people. Now, then you get to your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So first you're going to have Yelp, then you're going to have your first competition, which is L&L Flooring in L&L Flooring Company, which not to be confused with LL Flooring, which is Lumber Liquidator. That's a franchise. This is actually a local company, which is great. Google loves local. So taking a look at their website, first thing, they got a nice header. They got their logo. They got a click to call for quick conversion so customers don't have to spend so much time on their website. They see something they like and they just call, which is great. And they have all their services. They have their mission statement, what they're about, why they're trustworthy. And then they have, of course, get in touch through email and put what you're looking to work in or what you're looking to get done. Now, as you can see, they have a pretty good website. They don't have a lot of content. What Google truly is looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google in order to find their specific service. So, for example, Flooring Nashville. That's someone putting this into Google in order to find a place or a contractor or a store or something or some place that does flooring. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see why they're doing so well. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, depending on what mood you're in. So first thing that pops up is the UR rating. That's the strength of their website, which you can see is a pretty good 23. Then your DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website, which you can see is only a 0.8. Ideally, we want them to be at around 30 to 40 each, and a golden ratio of 1:1. And the way we do that is by increasing your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to your own. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia will be awful because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that is relevant to your service. Now, another thing they're doing well is they're ranking for a lot of organic keywords, those buyer intent words. As you can see, they have almost 1,200 of them. So let's check out what they're ranking for. Of course, they have their own name, Flooring Nashville. As you can see, 500 people a month are searching this. And since, as you saw, they're in the first organic position, they're getting almost 10% of that traffic. Hardwood Flooring, 350. They're in the 4th or 5th position, yet they're still getting all that traffic. Flooring Store in the fourth position, which is around the 2nd or 3rd, they're getting over 10% traffic. So if they were ranking higher and they were moving up and they're getting the first position, they'd be seeing that traffic going a lot more because they'd be in the front, so everyone would go, or at least 10% of the search volume would go through their website. So if we're looking to build a great website, first we need those backlinks. You need strong backlinks in order for Google to say this website is trustworthy and strong. We're going to rank them. And then once you have that, or along with that, you need that content. you need something for Google to rank you for. So having that 1,500 to 2,000 words with those buyer intent words mixed in will have Google ranking you for good buyer intent words. So you'll start getting traffic to your site, and you'll start getting people calling through your website once you put it back up. Now, I hope you all found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Otherwise, enjoy your vacation, and you have a blessed rest of your day.